welcome to the podcast. Today, we have so many software courses out there. But today, we are here with a simple roadmap that can actually help you to find a right tech path for you. So, let's start the podcast. Welcome to the podcast. Today, we are joined by our special guest, Maria, who is Director of Boston Institute of Analytics. Let's welcome her. Hello, ma'am.
Hi all, my name is Maria and I represent Boston Institute of Analytics Gachibowli campus. I come with about 20 years of experience in multiple fields and I've worked in multiple countries as well. And now my passion is analytics and AI. My passion is helping students and working professionals change their domain, or whoever wants to get into analytics and AI. I guide them, I help them with the courses that we offer, and all of the courses that we offer end with a placement support, placement and career support. So if you're looking for a job within AI or analytics, please look up Boston Institute of Analytics Gachibowli campus.
Why anybody should choose BIA Gachibowli over other institutions? What do you say?
So multiple reasons. The first one is the fact that we are international. We give you, every certification we have is dual. It's data science and AI, investment banking and financial analytics,
Okay.
digital marketing and analytics. So we provide dual certification because that helps students with better chances at roles. And the certifications we provide are linked. And the most important reason that differentiates BIA Gachibowli from any other training institution is the fact that we offer 100% placement assistance.
100%.
Yes.
Okay.
And our placement assistance is not limited to smaller companies or startups. Our placement assistance provides students assistance with placements at multinational companies. So we have tie-ups with some really good companies like Google, Microsoft, Bloomberg, Deloitte, KPMG, so on and so forth. And our students have a track record of getting really good salary packages as well.
Okay.
And we have our numbers and we have our analytics that prove that. And within even a 4-month, a 6-month, a 10-month period of time, we have students who've achieved tremendous amount of success by being with us, by working with us, and by taking trainings with BIA Gachibowli. And since we have multiple domains, trainings in multiple domains, it expands a student's choices.
You people are really offering great opportunities for the students who are looking to learn AI tools or certain things, and the people who wants to get skilled in analytics. That's a great opportunities that you people are offering, really.
Absolutely. So at BIA Gachibowli, we have a lot of trainings that students can leverage, a lot of career paths that they can choose from, and these are relevant roles that have great CTCs and salary packages. So I would encourage students who don't have any plans as to what they want to do next and who want to start working with multinational companies, please look up Boston Institute of Analytics Gachibowli and look us up, look up our trainings, look up our testimonials, and feel free to reach out to us.
At any time, right?
At any time, absolutely. We have a great center and a great office, and we have a really good set of trainers. And so far we've seen tremendous success amongst our students.
Superb. All of these courses comes under the budget, or are they going to be very expensive for students?
So Kritika, I would say that they are slightly expensive compared to some of the cheaper courses that are available in Hyderabad. But the student must think where they're spending their money on. Right? So the value that we give is extremely high. The return on this investment is really high.
Okay.
So the shortest course we have is a 4-month course, and it retails at 85,000. But as per our analytics and as per my experience, I've seen students with no experience who've done the 85,000 rupees course, and they've started their first salary at over 85,000 rupees per month.
Oh, that's great.
Yes. So
they're getting their money within a 1 month, right?
Yes. So the return on investment here is very high. And the fact that you will get lifelong career support, you'll work on in a relevant role, and at a great package. So I don't look at it as a negative thing at all. Also,
you're compensating.
Yeah, absolutely compensating it within 1 month.
Yes.
The salary packages that our students get are also quite good. The shorter course, which is 85,000, our students start at between 7 to 10 lakh per annum. The master diploma, which is a 10-month long course, which retails at 1,45,000. We've seen students without experiences starting at between 10 lakh per annum to 15 lakh per annum as well. So the salary packages are great.
Yes.
You start your
Yeah, they are
career
great.
with wonderful salaries, and that to great companies and great roles.
You people are providing 100% job guarantee, right?
We're providing 100% job assistance.
Okay.
The one of the reasons why we don't say guarantee is because you have to complete the course. The student has to complete the course. The student has to get a certain amount of grade on their projects as well. But the opportunities that we provide is not available outside.
Okay. You're giving them the grades.
It's not a grade per se. The project shouldn't have any errors. The project should be worked upon. The student
in certification, are you people are going to mark any number or give
no grades.
Any grades?
No grades, yeah.
Okay, fine. So everyone are equal, right? So
Yes.
when they get the certification,
Yes.
they're already trained in it, prepared
Yes.
for it.
Yes.
Okay. When they attend the interview in bigger companies, so after going through the certification, so what kind of expectations they can have? They can expect.
So after finishing a certification, a student with no work experience, a fresher, can expect anything between 7 to 10 lakh per annum at a multinational company. So after the certification is completed, the student has access to apply for roles that are specifically available only for BIA students, and we also provide students training and coaching on interview skills and resume building and things like that, which the student can use while attending the interviews. Since the student has already done a project with BIA,
Yes.
they usually sometimes don't have a technical round as well, because their project becomes the profile with Boston Institute of Analytics.
Okay.
So at Boston Institute of Analytics, students really have a lot of trainings to choose from. Especially the Gachibowli campus, we have trainings on investment banking and digital marketing that's not available elsewhere. And like I said, our latest training, which is very niche and very exciting, is the sports management and analytics, given that India is in the run to host the 2036
Exactly.
sports
Yes.
Olympics.
I heard it. Yeah.
We are prepping our students who are interested in this domain to learn about sports management and analytics, because
it's a great thing, is it?
It is. It's super interesting.
Because we just only watched in TV. Now it is going to conduct here in our India.
Yep. So I believe India has formally put in a bid for it, and we should know soon if that's going to happen. But in preparation for it, even sports in India with IPL and everything, we are moving to a much more analytical strategies, right? And this training will help.
IPL now is the biggest market,
Yes.
in business.
Yes.
Yeah. Ma'am, now the IPL season is started.
Yep.
Is it?
Yep, it's just started.
Yes, it just started, and there are business is going on crores.
Yeah, absolutely.
In thousands of crores.
There's
right?
a lot of revenue generated because of IPL,
Yes.
and and it impacts economy directly.
Exactly.
And that's one of the reasons we introduced this new course called Sports Management and Analytics, and that helps students who are interested in sportsmen, and sportswomen who've been a part of these sports, who worked on these sports, to understand the analytics behind it, so that they can still find a career that they are passionate about.
Exactly. Maybe they won't play it.
If you can't play it, you can work with it.
You work with it.
Yes.
That's superb. And it was great talking to you, ma'am. And
Likewise.
thank you for your valuable time.
Thank you so much. It has been wonderful being here.